welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, and this one is by Influenster. I did get this one for free from them to review, and I'm super excited to see what products they sent me. I mean, I already know what they are because it shows them right here. So it is by Cetaphil. So this is a Cetaphil VoxBox. I did get this one when I was on vacation, so I didn't really have time to open it and all of that. So that's what I will be doing today. And if I look tired, I am tired. My boyfriend and I drove from Colorado to California. It took us 15 hours and we arrived home at 3 in the morning. So I'm pretty tired, but I don't want to sleep right now because then I won't be able to sleep at night. Okay, so ta-da! So this is what the VoxBox looks like inside. It comes with a card, and they sent me 2 products. So this is the card that they sent me, and this one says new Cetaphil Gentle Clear. Clearing breakouts doesn't have to be harsh on your sensitive skin. Our balanced formulas are specifically formulated with proven acne treatments plus hydrating and soothing ingredients to nourish skin. So this one is the Cetaphil Gentle Clear VoxBox campaign, and on the back it just tells me how to review the products. I will have them linked in the description box if you guys want to sign up. It is completely free to sign up, and then they'll send you guys free products. Okay, so the first product, it is this cleanser right here, and this one is a Cetaphil Gentle Clear Clarifying Acne Cream Cleanser, and it is one of their new products. So I'm super happy that I'm able to test it out. I do break out. I have a couple of breakouts right now because during vacation I just started eating all crazy and I ate peanut butter cups, so I do have acne. Anyways, this one says Clarifying Acne Cream Cleanser with Salicylic Acid Acne Treatment. Deep cleans without overdrying. Immediately starts working to clear acne and to help prevent future breakouts. It has white tea and aloe to soothe skin. So yeah, that's that. And this one is for sensitive skin, and I have sensitive skin, so that's good. And this one is 4.2 fluid ounces. So in the back it tells me the directions. It says apply to damp skin and gently massage, avoiding the eye area, rinse thoroughly and pat dry. Designed for twice daily use. Can be used less frequently if dryness occurs. I'm super excited to try this out. I will be trying this out tonight. I will let you guys know what I think of it. Maybe I'll just write it down in the description box, or I'll probably pin it in the comments if you guys want to know. And then the next product that they sent me, it is this Cetaphil Gentle Clear Mattifying Acne Moisturizer. And if you guys don't know, I do have super oily skin, so I'm actually super excited to try this out because I'm actually looking for products that help me with my oily skin, and hopefully this actually works. Clinically proven technology to clear acne and help reduce the appearance of pores, visible and prebiotic, soothe and strengthen skin barrier, and it is for sensitive skin as well. Let me see what the bottle looks like. So it is another squeeze tube. So that's nice, and this one is 3 fluid ounces. I'm going to open it because I'm going to be using it tonight. Okay, it doesn't really smell like anything, and I can't open the whole thing to smell it. It just smells like fresh. I got some on my finger. Let's test it out on my hand. Okay, it smells fresh, but it doesn't have like an actual scent. It just smells like regular fresh lotion, and it's just clear. And let me smell the cleanser now, see if it smells like anything. The cleanser doesn't smell like anything either. It just smells fresh, so yeah, that's that. Okay, this kind of feels like hard to squeeze out. I'm like squeezing a lot. Oh, there you go. So that's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's just like a white cleanser. So yeah, so anyways, I'll be trying these 2 products out, and hopefully they help me and not break me out more. So the Mattifying Acne Moisturizer, it says that it's formulated with 0.5 salicylic acid to treat and prevent breakouts, as well as botanical and prebiotic complex to help soothe, alleviate dryness, and reduce the appearance of redness. So anyways, thank you so much to Influenster and Cetaphil for sending me these products. I'm really happy and grateful that I got these products, and I can't wait to try them out. Anyways, if you guys want to try out Influencer, it is completely free. I will have their link in the description box. So anyways, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.